Today I'm traveling across Germany on one of the country's biggest holidays, Labor Day, May 1st. I'm taking a regional train and a few high-speed trains to the Bavarian city of Ingolstadt to see what Germany is really like on a public holiday. Let's find out.
Hello and good morning. So I had a good night's sleep here in the city of Bingen. So I'm on my way to a train station now for a good 5 hours on the train today. So it's Labor Day today in Germany. So let's see what's travel all about during this public holiday. And I'm off to the city of Ingolstadt in Bavaria, Germany. And let's see what's open, if there are any restaurants open, if there are any stores open. It's Labor Day, so pretty much it's a Sunday in Germany. It already feels like a Sunday, so join me today, have fun, let's go to the station. So we're right here. So my first plan today was to go to the town of Rudesheim. Pretty touristy place here, but yeah, the ferry isn't going to the other side, so that will take me like 1.5 hours to go all the way around it, so I'm not gonna do that today. I mean, I'm not into the playgrounds, but this is a cool one. I think there's supposed to be water in here in summer. There is a railway carriage here. So I think it's a bar or restaurant. It's closed, of course, right now, but yeah, looks pretty cool. So back at the train station, let's wait for my train. So my train arrived on time. Let's see if we can depart on time. So 35 minutes to the city of Mainz.
Mainz Hauptbahnhof.
Already noticed it's a Friday morning. It's pretty quiet on a train, so yeah, you already noticed it's a holiday. It's a public holiday in Germany today. I don't mind. It's really comfortable right now. Trains were packed yesterday. So we're almost in Mainz. I got 23 minutes there. I haven't had any breakfast yet, so let's see if something is open. Probably will in a train station, right? And have some breakfast, and then on to my next train. And welcome to Mainz. So breakfast first. Got my coffee, sandwich, and yeah, it looks like everything is open, at least at the station it is.
Echt?
Ja. Ja, ja, ja. Ja, man sieht es ja nur vorne, ja. Wir haben es hinten leider ja nicht stehen, ja. Ja, danke schön. Ja.
And welcome to Fulda. So I got 43 minutes here for my next train towards Ingolstadt. Not the most beautiful station in Germany. So I got no time to head into the old town here of Fulda. I only got 30 minutes now. Probably a lot of stuff will be closed, so I'm gonna wait for my next train. So that's gonna take 2 hours and 7 minutes on another ICE train, second one of the day. We arrived here with just a few minutes delay, I think 3 minutes, so it's pretty much on time, right? So 2 hours 7 minutes on my next train. It's already on the board, on time. Hope it stays like that. And yeah, so far so good for today. It's beautiful weather. It's a holiday in Germany, but still a lot of stuff going on. Many people traveling to family and stuff, so yeah.
Den gelben Koffer dabei? Ja, danke. Ja, noch nicht. Danke.
Aber jemand muss mir helfen.
Du musst selber schieben.
Nadine.
And we arrive in Ingolstadt. So I left Bingen this morning, 5 hours and 7 minutes. With a little delay on the second train, only 3 minutes. We arrived on time in Ingolstadt. So Ingolstadt is in Bavaria. So let's see what's going on there on a public holiday. I'm gonna check out the city, try to check into my hotel first. And yeah, so stick with me and enjoy Ingolstadt. Oh, how cool is this? Just across the train station. Built in 1903. So I'm waiting for the bus to take me to the old town, where my hotel is. And welcome to my tiny but really modern and clean, looking good hotel room. And now it's time to check out the city. Let's go. if you guys know which big German car company Ingolstadt is famous for, let me know in the comments. So Ingolstadt was a fortified, walled city back in the day, but not much left of that anymore. So all the shops are closed, of course, because of the public holiday. But people sitting outside having a beer, some food on the, I think, many beer gardens they have here. And of course we're going to check them out later. But you can definitely tell it's a public holiday. I think this parking spot is like what, tour buses and everything. It's pretty much empty except for one bus. So I can imagine on a Friday normally in this town, city, should be much busier. The building was part of the fortified city, and it's an army museum now, or like a military museum. Probably will be closed, but it's a really great building. Let's see if there's another entrance. I mean, yeah, this is what you get when you travel in Germany on a holiday, or normally on a Sunday. So this looks like the entrance of the museum. Yeah, so the actual museum is closed, but as with every museum, there's always a part that's open, you know, that's free for public without any paying any entrance. So look at these cannons. What a cool place, but they're also doing a lot of construction there. Yeah, let's check out that bridge I saw. Yeah, not this one, but the other one. And of course, walking away from the museum, I walked in the wrong direction. So now I gotta walk all the way back. Oh, here's the bridge. Check out this building, the Bavaria Police Museum. That looks cool. So this museum was open, but it's way too nice weather to go into a dark museum right now. So maybe combine it later on with the army museum and this one. I'm back in the old town. Let's get a drink and some local cuisine. I'm overdue for my lunch, so I'm hungry. Is that an authentic drink? So this is the gate I was searching. So it's one of the few gates that survive all the demolition of all these years. So it's part of the old fortified wall. I don't know the name of the gate. It's probably down here somewhere. So I saw a terrace here, a little restaurant. It was packed, so let's go there.
Einmal drin, da hat er sich ein bisschen mit dem anderen Hund ein bisschen einen Zwist gehabt und dann.
Damit vorbeigegangen. Sehr gut.
So that was an amazing meal. It's called Käsespitzle, like a Bavarian style of mac and cheese. I enjoyed it, enjoyed the beer with it. I'm pretty full right now. I think I'll go for a nap right now. So I hope you liked the ride over here from Bingen to Ingolstadt in Bavaria. A good ride, on time with German Bahn. And I hope you liked the little tour of the city. Can you travel in Germany? Well, at least in Ingolstadt on the public holiday? Yes, you can. Subscribe to the channel, give a video a thumbs up. See you next time. See ya.